Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am Jonesia from QA, and we are back with episode 3 of Quality Matters. Today we're going to discuss one of the subsets of GXP by replacing the X with a C to make good clinical practice. According to Vijayananthan and Nawawi, good clinical practice is an international ethical and scientific quality standard for the design, conduct, performance, monitoring, auditing, recording, analyses, and reporting of clinical trials. So with good clinical practice comes regulations that are set on an international scale. This would be the International Council of Harmonization, and this is the abridged version of what it stands for. The abbreviation is ICH E6 in this concept. Specifically, E6 pertains to good clinical practice. But the full name, I'll add it here. Protection of rights, safety, and welfare of human subjects, minimization of human exposure to investigational products, improvements with the quality of data, quicker marketing of newer drugs, and the lowering of costs to the public and sponsors. So the purpose is to ensure the safety and ethical treatment of participants of clinical trials. The big thing here is to ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks. So there are 3 primary principles of good clinical practice. The first is ethicality. Ethical standards must be adhered to respect the rights, dignity, and well-being of participants. Another principle is safety. Safety is always priority in clinical research. The trial should be designed to minimize risk and to protect the well-being and health of participants. The third principle is informed consent. This is vital to ensure that participants are aware of the risks and benefits associated with their participation in the trial. If you made it to this point, leave a duck emoji. It's important that we have our ducks in a row in life as best we can, but especially with clinical trials. GCP is so important to ensure the protection of participants during clinical trials and ensure that healthcare professionals have the tools, regulations, and guidance to make these trials as safe as possible. My name is Imani and I'm a quality professional. I hope you learned something new. So if you're interested in any of this, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd be happy to provide you more content like this. And that's all I've got for this episode. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.